Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to add the contact information on the lock screen. Simply go to the settings, tap on the option lock screen and AOD. So in this page, you can see the option contact information. Tap on this one. So here we need to enter the text that we want to see on the lock screen. You can see show information such as your phone number or email address on the lock screen. So you can be contacted if you lost your phone. So simply here I am going to enter the name and I am going to enter this phone number, just some numbers. After this one, tap on done. If you go to the lock screen, you can see that, just wait, you can see that contact information on the lock screen you can see. So simply in this way we can add the contact information to the lock screen. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.